this is Arrow from Moonbay. This is our new design of the stainless steel waterfall. When you install the water pump below, and the water will flow straight down, and it's different. And the light is different. Let me show you. This is the aluminum bar, and this is the light. First, we need to install the lights with the bar, and we also have the small clips you need to bend and to fix the light on the aluminum bar. And then we need to install on the products. First, we need to cross the light, and we add the new clips on the products. You can see two sides we need to push, and then it will fix